In a major leap forward for Australia's autonomous airpower capabilities, the Royal Australian Air Force has successfully completed Exercise Carlsbad at RAAF Base Tindal, featuring the first off-site deployment of the MQ-28A Ghost Bat. This event marks the drone's inaugural flight outside its native Woomera range complex, confirming its readiness to function in diverse environments. The operation, executed in June 2025, follows the aircraft's transfer aboard a C-17 Globemaster from the Australian International Air Show. The MQ-28A, previously identified as the airpower teaming system, holds historical significance as Australia's first domestically developed military aircraft in more than 50 years. Developed by Boeing Defence Australia, the platform serves as a semi-autonomous, modular drone designed to complement manned aircraft in missions ranging from surveillance to electronic warfare. Within just 1 week of its arrival at Tindal, engineers and operators validated system functionality through a sequence of ground and flight operations. Exercise Carlsbad was one of the Capability Demonstration 2025, CD25, evaluations aimed at gauging how well the Ghost Bat can integrate with RAAF units and infrastructure. Key contributors included 75, 17, and 9 squadrons, alongside support from the Air Warfare Center and other high-level defense offices. The exercise was overseen by Wing Commander Philip Parsons, a veteran in remote piloting and the first RAAF officer qualified to fly the Ghost Bat. According to Parsons, the drill tested core areas essential for full operational deployment: logistics, support systems, airbase compatibility, and networked functionality with crewed platforms. The ability to relocate and sustain operations outside the test range was a central metric of success. Boeing and the RAAF have been advancing joint training programs since at least mid-2024, culminating in Parsons certification on June 13 of that year. The comprehensive training included mission planning, real-time navigation, and seamless launch and recovery procedures, all vital for integrating uncrewed assets into regular Air Force operations. Built under Air Force Minor Program DEF 6014, the Ghost Bat is engineered for both independent missions and coordinated flight with aircraft like the F-35A, F divided by a -18F, and E-7A Wedgetail. Its design incorporates artificial intelligence and mission-specific modular components. As of late 2024, 8 Block 1 variants were constructed for testing, with over 100 flights and 20,000 hours of virtual evaluation completed. These prototypes are set to be succeeded by Block 2 models featuring refined guidance systems and improved maintainability. A pivotal CD25 milestone was achieved on June 16, 2025, when a single E-7A operator directed 2 Ghost Bats during a simulated airborne threat response. This mission tested the fusion of crewed command and uncrewed response, using software co-developed by Boeing Defence Australia, Australia's Defence Science and Technology Group, and the U.S. Air Force Research Laboratory. Though visual materials were digitally rendered, Boeing confirmed this forms part of an extensive testing regime that will include crewed jets like the F-35A later this year. Technically, the MQ-28A is 11.7 meters in length with a 7.3 meter wingspan. It runs on a commercial turbofan engine, likely a Williams FJ44 or Pratt & Whitney Canada PW300, and boasts a range exceeding 3,700 kilometers. Its stealth profile is achieved through form factor rather than radar-absorbing coatings. A notable structural component is its massive composite wing, the largest Boeing has built using infused resin and automated construction methods. The modular nose allows rapid payload switching, supporting ISR, radar, and jamming capabilities. Australia's defence industry plays a central role in the program, with over 200 local suppliers contributing. These include Marin Precision Engineering, Microelectronic Technologies, Farah Engineering, and others in fields such as avionics, composites, and subsystems. More than 70% of the program's budget is retained within the Australian economy. To support serial production, Boeing is constructing a 9,000 square meter assembly plant in Toowoomba, Queensland. Managed by Wagner Corporation, the facility will integrate sustainable manufacturing technologies and support full system builds, aiming for completion within 3 years. The MQ-28A project has received over $1 billion Australian dollars in government backing and is a major component of Australia's broader $10 billion initiative to develop autonomous defence capabilities. Canberra's confirmed investment includes 10 Block 1 and 3 Block 2 aircraft, with additional funding secured in 2024. A live air-to-air missile test involving the MQ-28A is scheduled for late 2025 or early 2026. Internationally, the Ghost Bat has sparked interest. In 2022, the U.S. Department of Defense acquired one unit for research, with former U.S. Air Force Secretary Frank Kendall citing its potential as a testbed for collaborative combat aircraft. While no large-scale foreign contracts have been finalized, Boeing suggests that international participation could drive down production costs and broaden operational adoption.